Welcome to Voxly English. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome to Voxly English. I am Sophia, and I am so happy you are listening today.
Hi, everyone. I am Liam. This is a slow English podcast for beginners. We are here to help you learn English in a simple and friendly way.
Today, we have a very fun topic. We are going to talk about English at the coffee shop.
Coffee shops are everywhere. They are great places to relax, meet friends, or work on your laptop.
But ordering drinks in English can feel a little scary at first.
After this episode, you will know how to order your drinks and snacks with confidence.
So get ready. This is going to be very useful and fun.
First, we need to learn some basic coffee shop words.
Coffee is the most important word. Most people know this word. Coffee is a hot drink made from coffee beans.
Tea is another popular drink. It is made from tea leaves.
Milk is the white liquid from cows. Many people add milk to their coffee or tea.
Sugar is the sweet white or brown powder. Some people add sugar to make their drinks sweeter.
A cup is what you drink from. A mug is a bigger cup, usually with a handle.
Ice is frozen water. When we say iced, we mean a cold drink with ice.
Hot means warm or heated. A hot coffee is warm.
Now let me teach you some drink names.
Coffee is coffee without any milk, just coffee and water.
Coffee with milk is black coffee with some milk added.
A latte is coffee with a lot of milk. It is very smooth and creamy.
A cappuccino is similar, but it has foam on top. Foam is the light, bubbly milk.
An espresso is a very small and strong coffee. It has a lot of flavor, but not much liquid.
Iced coffee is cold coffee with ice.
Iced tea is cold tea with ice.
Hot chocolate is a sweet drink made with chocolate and milk. It is not coffee.
Those are the basic drinks. Now, sizes.
Most coffee shops have 3 sizes.
Small is the smallest size.
Medium is in the middle.
Large is the biggest.
Some shops use different words like tall, grande, or venti, but small, medium, and large work everywhere.
Coffee shops also have snacks.
A cake is a sweet dessert. You can get a slice of cake.
A cookie is a small, flat, sweet biscuit.
A sandwich is bread with food inside, like cheese or ham.
Now the people in the coffee shop.
A customer is the person who buys. That is you.
A barista is the person who makes the coffee. They work behind the counter.
A cashier is the person who takes your money at the till.
Sometimes the barista and cashier are the same person.
Now practice saying some of these words with us.
Coffee,
Latte,
iced coffee,
small,
medium,
large,
barista.
customer.
Your turn. Try saying each word.
Good job.
Liam, do you drink coffee every day?
Yes, I do. I usually have a medium latte in the morning.
Me too. I love a good latte, but sometimes I have iced coffee when it is hot outside.
I agree. Iced coffee is perfect in summer.
Okay, next we'll learn how to order.
When you order in a coffee shop, there are a few simple patterns.
The most common way is, can I have a, please?
For example, can I have a small latte, please?
Or, can I have a large black coffee, please?
Another way to order is, I would like a, please. Or short, I'd like a, please.
I'd like a medium cappuccino, please.
You can also say, for me, a, please.
For me, a hot chocolate, please.
The barista or cashier will greet you first.
They might say, hi, what can I get for you?
Or, what would you like?
After you order, they often ask, anything else?
This means, do you want something more?
You can answer, yes, and a cookie, please.
Or, no, that's all, thank you.
Another question you will hear is, for here or to go?
For here means you will stay in the coffee shop and drink there.
In British English, people sometimes say takeaway.
You answer, for here, please, or to go, please.
Let us practice a very simple order dialogue. I am the customer. Liam is the barista.
Hi there, what can I get for you today?
Hi, can I have a small latte, please?
Sure, is that for here or to go?
To go, please.
Okay, one small latte to go. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
That'll be $3.50.
Here you go.
Thanks, your latte will be ready in a moment.
That was a simple order. The key phrases were, can I have a small latte, please? For here or to go. That's all. Thank you.
Now let us try a dialogue with two drinks. Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, I'd like a medium iced coffee, please.
Sure, anything else?
Yes, and a large hot chocolate for my friend.
One medium iced coffee and one large hot chocolate. For here or to go.
For here, please.
Is that everything?
Yes, that's all.
That was a slightly longer order.
The key phrases were, I'd like a medium iced coffee and a large hot chocolate for my friend. Is that everything?
Try saying these phrases. Can I have a small latte, please?
I'd like a medium iced coffee.
That's all, thank you.
Say it out loud. Practice these sentences.
Well done.
When you order, the barista might ask you more questions about your drink.
They want to know exactly what you want.
They might ask, small, medium, or large.
You answer, medium, please.
They might ask, would you like milk?
You can say, with milk, please, or no milk, thank you.
They might ask, do you take sugar?
This means, do you want sugar in your drink?
You can say, with one sugar, please, or no sugar, thanks.
They might ask, do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please, or I'd like it iced, please.
Sometimes they ask about the type of milk.
They might say, do you want whole milk, skim milk, or soy milk?
Whole milk is regular full milk. Skim milk has less fat. Soy milk is made from soybeans, not from cows.
You can simply say, regular milk is fine.
Or soy milk, please.
Some coffee shops also ask about flavor.
They might say, would you like any flavor, like vanilla or caramel?
Vanilla and caramel are sweet flavors. They taste good in lattes.
You can say, yes, vanilla, please, or no flavor, thanks.
Let us practice a longer ordering dialogue.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Do you want any flavor? Vanilla or caramel?
No flavor, thanks.
Would you like sugar?
Yes, one sugar, please.
And what kind of milk? Whole, skim, or soy?
Just regular milk, please.
Okay, one medium hot latte with regular milk and one sugar. Is that right?
Yes, that's perfect.
For here or to go?
For here.
Great, that will be $4.
Here is my card.
Thank you.
That was a complete ordering conversation.
The key phrases were, what size would you like? Hot or iced? Do you want any flavor?
Repeat after me. What size would you like?
Hot, please.
One sugar, please.
Regular milk is fine.
Think and speak. Practice these answers.
Excellent.
After you order, you need to pay.
The cashier will tell you the price.
They might say, that's $3, or that will be $5.50.
If you want to ask the price first, you can say, how much is that? Or, how much is it altogether? Altogether means the total.
Then they ask how you want to pay. They might say, are you paying by card or cash?
Card means using a bank card. Cash means paper money and coins.
You can answer, I'll pay by card, or in cash, please.
If you pay by card, you might tap or insert your card.
If you pay with cash, the cashier gives you change. Change is the money you get back.
They will also give you a receipt. The receipt is the paper that shows what you paid.
Let us practice a payment dialogue.
Okay, so that's 1 medium iced coffee and 1 cookie. That will be $6.20.
How much altogether?
$6.20.
Okay, can I pay by card?
Of course. Just tap here, please.
Done.
Perfect. Here is your receipt.
Thank you.
Your order will be ready shortly.
The key phrases were, how much is that? I'll pay by card. Here is my card.
Try saying, how much is that?
I'll pay by card.
Here is my card.
Say it out loud.
Nice work.
In many coffee shops, they ask your name.
This is so they can call you when your drink is ready.
The barista might say, what's your name? Or, can I take your name?
You just say your name. My name is Sophia, or simply Sophia.
Sometimes they ask you to spell it.
You can say Sophia.
Then they say, it will be ready in a few minutes.
Or, we'll call your name when it's ready.
You wait and listen for your name.
Sophia, do you have a funny story about coffee shop names?
Yes, last month I was in a coffee shop and they asked my name. I said Sophia, but when they called my drink, the cup said sofa.
Sofa, like the furniture you sit on?
Yes, exactly. I was not upset. I thought it was funny.
That happens a lot. My name is Liam, but once they wrote Leo on my cup.
Coffee shop names are always an adventure.
True. Just smile and take your drink.
Exactly. Okay, next we will talk about small problems.
Sometimes things go wrong, but it is easy to fix if you know what to say.
The first problem is getting the wrong drink.
Maybe you ordered a latte, but they gave you a cappuccino.
You can say politely, I am sorry, I think this is not my drink.
Or, excuse me, I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino.
The barista will usually say, oh, I'm sorry about that. I'll make you a new one.
Another problem is when the drink is too hot.
You can say, this is very hot. Can I have some ice, please?
Or, could you add a little cold milk?
Sometimes the drink is too sweet or not sweet enough.
You can say, I asked for no sugar. This is too sweet for me.
Or, I wanted sugar, but this is not sweet at all.
The barista will fix it for you.
Another small problem is a forgotten item.
Maybe you ordered a cookie, but they forgot to give it to you.
You can say, excuse me, I think you forgot my cookie.
Or, I also ordered a sandwich. I don't see it here.
The barista will say, oh, I'm sorry, I'll get that for you right away.
Let us practice a short dialogue about a wrong order.
Excuse me, I think there's a problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry. What happened?
I ordered a latte, but this is an iced coffee.
Oh no, I'm really sorry about that. Let me make you a new one.
Thank you. I wanted a medium hot latte.
Okay, 1 medium hot latte coming right up. Sorry for the mistake.
No problem. Thank you.
That was a polite way to fix a problem.
The key phrases were, I think there's a problem with my order. I ordered a latte, but this is an iced coffee. Sorry for the mistake.
Repeat after me. I'm sorry, I think this is not my drink.
I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino.
Let me make you a new one.
Your turn to practice.
Good practice.
Before we finish, we will practice with 3 complete conversations.
The first conversation is a simple order with a snack.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Hello, can I have a medium cappuccino, please?
Sure, hot or iced?
Hot, please.
For here or to go?
To go, please.
Anything else?
Yes, I'd also like a chocolate cookie.
1 medium hot cappuccino to go and 1 chocolate cookie. That's $6.
Here is my card.
Thanks. What's your name?
Liam.
Okay, Liam, it will be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
The key phrases were, can I have a medium cappuccino? I'd also like a chocolate cookie. It will be ready in a minute.
The second conversation is two friends ordering together.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I'd like a large iced coffee with no sugar.
Large iced coffee, no sugar. Got it. And for your friend?
She wants a small hot tea with milk.
One large iced coffee and one small hot tea with milk. Anything else?
No, that's all.
For here or to go?
For here, please.
Great. That's $5.50. Can I have a name for the order?
Put it under Sarah.
Sarah. Okay, we'll call you when it's ready.
Thanks.
The key phrases were, she wants a small hot tea with milk. Put it under Sarah. We'll call you when it's ready.
The third conversation is about fixing a mistake.
Hi, is everything okay with your order?
Actually, I'm sorry, but I think there's been a small mix-up.
Oh no, what happened?
I ordered a hot latte, but this is cold.
Oh, I'm really sorry about that. I'll make you a new hot one right now.
Thank you. And I asked for no sugar, but this one is quite sweet.
I'll make sure the new one has no sugar.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. One hot latte with no sugar. Sorry again for the mix-up.
No problem at all. Thank you for fixing it.
Enjoy your coffee.
The key phrases were, I think there's been a small mix-up. I ordered a hot latte, but this is cold. Sorry again for the mix-up.
Now we will do some quick guided practice.
I will give you situations. You say the correct sentence.
Situation 1. You want a medium cappuccino to go.
Say, can I have a medium cappuccino to go, please? Your turn.
Situation 2. You want to know the total price.
Say, how much is that altogether? Try to say it now.
Situation 3. The cashier asks for here or to go.
Say, for here, please. Think and speak.
Situation 4. There was a mistake. You ordered tea but got coffee.
Say, I'm sorry, I ordered tea, not coffee.
Situation 5. You want to pay with your bank card.
Say, I'll pay by card, please.
Wonderful practice.
Before we say goodbye, here is a quick review of the most important phrases.
To order a drink, can I have a small coffee, please? I'd like a large latte.
When they ask for here or to go, please. For here, please.
When they ask anything else? No, that's all, thank you.
To ask the price, how much is that?
To pay, I'll pay by card. Here's my card.
If there is a problem, I'm sorry, I think this is not my drink. I ordered a latte, not a cappuccino.
If you remember these phrases, you can order in any coffee shop with confidence.
Here is your homework.
Write a short dialogue of 6 to 8 lines.
You go to a coffee shop and order a drink and a snack.
Use at least 3 phrases from this episode.
Practice saying your dialogue out loud and listen to this episode again.
The more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Thank you so much for listening to Voxly English today.
You are doing a great job learning English. Keep practicing every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye from Voxly English.
Goodbye, everyone. Enjoy your coffee.